My name is Uchimbo Emmanuel, a student of JPTS International from the Department of International Relations Diplomacy, the 200 level. I'm here to present a semester presentation on the implication of National Broadcasting Commission Code on broadcasting media, a case study of AIT Lagos. Abstract. The aim of this study was to investigate the implication of National Broadcasting Commission (NBC) Code on African Independent Television Lagos. 5 research questions were formulated for the purpose of this study. Other questions, 20 in numbers, came as questionable to the staff of AIT Lagos to determine the implication of National Broadcasting Commission on their organization. The research method adopted from this work is survey because of its convenience, reliability, and cheapness. Questionnaire when administered to the 118 staff of AIT Lagos. Also, the entire population was studied as the sample size, since the population is small and could be handled by the research. Finding from the field shows that the code of NBC does affect the operation of the organization, and also the 2016 NBC ban on the organization affects the organization restructuring, retrenchment of few staff, and reduction of image. Recommendations have been made on how NBC should make its code appropriate in order for the broadcasting media to abide to such regulation. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of study. Radio and television were essential organs for national development and should therefore be used for the promotion of Nigerian cultural, economic, and political development. As the media utilize the airwave which belong to the public, the broadcasting media should be used to improve and promote unity and security of the people of the nation. This is need for a body that will regulate this operation. This, while the body is expected to have controlling power over the broadcasting media, it should at least provide operational code that will prevent the abuse of the media. On 24 August 1992, then military president Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida signed into law Decree Number 30A, which allowed private participation in broadcasting. This was done through the establishment of the National Broadcasting Commission. Decree Number 38 authorized the National Broadcasting Commission (NBC) to issue license to regulate broadcasting in Nigeria. This is why every transmission of sound and vision, either by cable, television, radio, satellite, or any medium of broadcasting from anywhere in the country, is subjected to its authority. However, the broadcasting media, like the other media of mass communication, must be geared toward national unity. Without a national policy that provides clearly guidelines for other operations, the broadcasting media may not play their proper role in the growth and development of the nation. This is why there is need for a body like NBC, which is a sole charter organization with power to regulate broadcasting in all its activities. NBC was, among other things, empowered and designed to carry out this function, setting up standards to accept content and quality of broadcasting content in Nigeria, sizing transmission equipment, or withdrawing of license where necessary should any broadcasting media breach the NBC code, upholding the principle of equity and fairness on broadcasting. Section 311 of the Federal Commission Act authorized the Broadcasting Communication Commission to withhold the license of station indicate for violating the NBC code. Coming of television broadcasting in Nigeria. Television came to Nigeria for the first time through experimentally in 1956 when Queen Elizabeth XI came to Nigeria in that year. The NBC came with a large contingent of the NBC placed TV screen outside the assembly held to enable those outside the gallery of the house to watch what was happening. Nigerians take credit as the predecessor in regards to television broadcasting that, notwithstanding the television broadcasting stayed in Nigeria as a result of intensive political and ethical rivalry for the television in Nigeria was the Western Nigeria Television (WNTV) Ibadan.